What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy TripleLLL watching Triple TV. To the video, we have the Whisper Challenge. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the boy channel. So let's get started. Big lip. You got big lips.
What? Yo, I can't even read his lips.
You got big lips.
I have big lips?
Still say can't hear me.
That's a lie. I wish you were home for another week. I wish you were home for another week.
You wish what?
I wish you were home for another week.
Wish you over the rain.
I wish you were home for another week.
I wish
you were home for another week.
I wish you are mine.
I wish you were home for another week.
I wish
You
you
were
were
home
home
for
for the week.
another week.
For 1 week.
Another week.
For 1 week.
Another.
One more week.
Yes.
Go, ready. Ready. You got big nose. Bro, yeah, listen to me.
Go on.
You got a big nose.
Bro, you can't play these hype music. I'm not focusing.
Bro, listen, watch my lips, read my lips.
Money down.
My lips.
Set down, God.
Bro, come on, man.
Go on, man.
That big nose pit there, man.
What?
Big nose pit.
I can hear you because the song is finishing. I'm bright, yeah, bright.
You have sexy lips.
I have sexy lips.
Ready?
See, it's hard.
Then circle.
I told you it was
Give me
hard.
what it takes away your wire.
Wire.
I thought you wanna. Yo, ready.
Go on.
Are you even Shall I get distracted? Are you even saying something, bro? But the one thing me I tell you, say, remember when your boss.
Hey.
Twerk it.
See, it's
Come in.
hard to stay focused. Can I start planning our wedding?
What?
Can I start planning our wedding? Let's see his face. His face was so funny. Can I start planning our wedding?
Bro, what you answer?
Can I
Talk
start?
loud.
I can't talk low.
Well, move your mouth slow.
Can I start planning our wedding?
Move your mouth slow. Your
May I
mouth-
move my mouth slower?
Wait, your lip move too fast. Take time, talk.
Can I start planning our wedding?
Can
Can I
I
start
stop start
planning
what?
planning
What? Yeah.
planning
Yeah, tried to make out what the hell she has said, like
planning
Planning.
Our
Or.
wedding.
What?
Wedding.
Week?
Wedding. 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 Wedding.
Wedding?
Yes. Can I?
It dance weird, bro.
What?
You dance weird.
What?
You dance weird. You hear me? What was it? What was it? What was
I
it?
dance weird?
Yeah. You let me go, tell her to calm her down. Think tough.
Yo, you're loud. You're loud. Can you hear me? Don't embarrass yourself. Okay.
I'm ready.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Nah, got me down, give up.
But press it in on your ears. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Big
Hey.
baller. Benzema.
Can you hear me?
Giving the eczema. What's that? Anybody do the killer.
The doctor said I couldn't have sex for 2 weeks.
Babe, I said she
The doctor said that I can't have sex for 2 weeks. The doctor said I can't have sex for 2 weeks. Bro, you.
Yes, yes. But have to catch up on that beat there. They down here.
Big baller.
Oh, baller.
Big baller. Yo, doctor said me can't have sex for 2 weeks.
Ready, wrestle them.
The doctor said me can't have sex for 2 weeks.
Bro, talk slow.
The doctor said that.
Bro, move your lips when you talk about like you talk with your teeth.
The doctor. Yo,
this girl like she talk with her teeth, yo. Talk with her lips, yo.
The doctor said that I cannot have sex for 2 weeks.
Open them all. The
Doctor.
what?
Doctor.
What's it?
Doctor.
Say it again.
Doctor.
Take time talk.
Doctor.
Oh, doctor.
Said
Said
I can
I
cannot
can
not have sex
what?
sex.
Sense? Right.
The song finished, which means you lost.
Wait a second, go ahead.
The doctor said I can't have sex for 2 weeks.
Oh, sex. Dr. Dear Lion. What song I play? She's a dance by the beat. What song I play? Which song I play? What song I play? Come, ready. Ready now? Your eyes look sleepy.
My eyes look sleepy?
Bro, y'all hear me, bro. Y'all hear me. You're not supposed to hear me.
I'm not hearing.
No, y'all hear me, Sean. You can't be fooling and shit.
No, that one was easy.
There's no way that easy, bro. If you're lying. Yeah, come in, bro. Hey, you know it.
Lebe.
There's no way you can't just say you don't hear me through that.
Maybe you just talk too loud. You're too loud, man.
Oh, it's because we talk too loud, you hear me. Boxer.
You can't sing.
You?
Can't sing.
You?
Can't sing. You can't sing. You don't know how to sing.
You want to talk about
You can't.
You
Can't.
say it again.
You can't sing.
You
When I read my lip properly, you can't sing.
You can't sing. Backside. You hurt me. Downtown of the town, love them.
I think we having more fun with the music than the action.
Alright, she gotta do the last one. I don't want the video too long,
Loud.
like a train. Take off your clothes. Bro, my lips are reading. I looking at my mouth. Read my lips. Take off your clothes. Take off your clothes. Yeah, just a jacket, just a jacket. Just leave something good.
If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. If you would like to see us do more of these videos, go ahead, drop a comment. Let us know what challenges you would like us to try, like us to do to entertain you guys. You know, we're here for your entertainment. Also hit the bell so when we drop new videos, you can get notifications. And I think I covered it all. What do you think?
I think that's it, guys. See you guys next time. TripleLL TV. I'm out.
Peace! Remember, formula.
You need more backside formula.